People who sound like cartoon characters Part 2.
You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave.
Hey, I thought you were starting your diet.
I thought you had a girlfriend. Thought your sister was in rehab. Huh? Did your dad leave? You were at a funeral the other day. What was that about? People dying in your life? I thought you lost everything dear to you.
I'm outside of Chick-fil-A and the cow has the eat more chicken sign up. Are those two chickens? Oh, that's unreal. Oh, there's more cows! There's more cows! Oh man, this is unreal. Oh, there's more chickens! There's more chickens! Oh, look at all the feathers. This is not happening. Oh my God. Oh.